Understanding winning a bonus in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, winning a bonus. This is a common phrase used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your English skills. So, let's dive in. Winning a bonus is a phrase composed of two key parts, winning and a bonus. Winning refers to the act of being successful in a contest, game, or other situations. It implies a sense of achievement or gaining something. A bonus usually means something extra or additional, often a reward or benefit that is not guaranteed but is given as a result of achieving something or as an added incentive. This phrase can be used in various contexts. 1. In a workplace. When an employee achieves a goal or performs exceptionally, they might be rewarded with a bonus. So, winning a bonus here refers to the act of receiving that extra reward. 2. In games or competitions, participants might receive a bonus for achieving a certain level or accomplishing a specific task. 3. In everyday life, it can also be used metaphorically to describe any situation where someone gains an unexpected or additional advantage or reward. Let's see some examples to understand it better. After exceeding her sales targets for 3 consecutive months, Maria ended up winning a bonus from her company. In the game show, contestants have a chance of winning a bonus prize if they answer the secret question correctly. Finding that rare book at the flea market felt like winning a bonus for the avid collector. And that's a wrap on winning a bonus. Remember, it's all about achieving something extra, a reward or benefit, in various aspects of life. We hope this video has been insightful and adds value to your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.